Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I make Jamaican Barbie Fried Chicken. First thing first, I wash my chicken with some lime and vinegar to remove any odors from the chicken. Next, I am going to season my chicken with my favorite Caribbean spice. You can use whatever blends you like, but I love the bold, flavorful kick of these traditional seasons. Once the chicken is seasoned, I set it aside. Also, I'm going to show all the season that I use in the description box. And guys, I'm telling you, this recipe is delicious and you should give it a try. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for all those who are still interacting with my content, I appreciate the love and support, guys. And for this recipe, I do not measure how many season that I'm using. So just in case you want to know how much, I do not do measurement. I just add some season until I think that is enough for me. Now onto my seasoned flour. I am going to use the same season that I used to season my chicken, but I'm going to use a smaller amount. So here I have some Maggi that I'm going to add to the flour, and then I'm going to also add some Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. Once you add your season, you're going to mix it so it is distributed equally in the coating. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to my skillet for frying off my chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and coat each pieces of chicken individually. Now once my oil is out, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken to this pot for it to fry. Once the chicken is frying, I am going to go ahead and start making my barbecue sauce. And guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, let me know where you are watching from, and subscribe to my channel for more recipe. And now it is the star of the dish, guys. So for this barbecue sauce, I will be using some ketchup, some ready-made barbecue sauce that I have. Yes, I'm using some of this. This is the brand that I'm using. You can use any barbecue sauce that you like. I'm also using about a teaspoon of brown sugar and some gravy browning. I'm going to add some water, not a lot, and allow it to boil for about 2 minutes. And this browning is very dark in color, so ensure that you do not add a lot. This is looking so amazing. It is just the way that I like it. And yes guys, I'm just gonna stir it properly and allow it to boil or simmer down for about 2 minutes before I turned off the stove. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my chicken that I already fried and this baking tray. And I'm going to go ahead and use the barbecue sauce that I created to apply it all over the chicken on both sides. This is looking so delicious, guys. It is very tasty and you should definitely go ahead and give it a try. When you give it a try, let me know how yours turned out. Once I fully apply my barbecue sauce, I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in the oven for about 10 minutes because remember the chicken is already cooked. And this is how mine turned out. I am happy with the result. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.